Increase your net worth 10 times by doing these 5 things. Let's face it, we all want to achieve financial freedom. The moment where we don't have to worry about how much money we're spending because we all have the freedom to waste money. However, the only way to achieve this is to increase your net worth. Sadly, some people don't really know what net worth is, much less to increase it. So, what really is net worth? I wouldn't want to bore you with a long explanation of net worth, so in layman's terms, net worth is the difference between everything you own, including homes and cars, and the outstanding balances that you owe other people. And I'm here to show you 5 things that could increase your net worth. This is Finance Boss, an awesome channel for awesome people like you. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Number 1. Acquire knowledge in high-demand subjects and markets. Moving on, the third way of increasing your net worth is by being savvy in high-demand subjects. While the job market is rapidly evolving, only a few people can keep up. Those who can't keep up often end up stagnating in their careers or sprouting out altogether. Strive to fall in the former category, because the truth is, your individual growth contributes significantly to your overall net worth. Usually, this individual growth is more noticeable in the form of human capital. Human capital refers to the financial value attached to your skills, knowledge, and expertise. In simpler terms, it refers to your financial worth in the job market. Acquiring knowledge in high-demand areas raises your human capital. This is why you have to be well-versed in high-demand areas, especially those with fewer people. By sharpening your skills in this way, you boost the financial value of your human capital, and this is what determines if you beg for a promotion and when you do so. If you want to boost your net worth, never stop learning. Attend seminars, read books, watch the news, and go back to school. This kind of aggressiveness will put you in the good books with your employer and put you in the spotlight when great opportunities arise. Lastly, you have to continually refine your talent and align your skill set to what the market needs. Go for less crowded subjects or those that have a brighter job outlook. Number 2. Focus on growing your income, not your investment returns. The first practical way to boost your net worth is to focus on growing your income. I know this can be mystifying because most of us believe that accumulating investment returns is the golden ticket to creating wealth. While investing is critical to building wealth, it should only be a secondary priority, and you're about to see why. Let's revisit the definition of net worth one more time. As you mentioned, your net worth is what remains after subtracting what you owe from what you own. Number 3. Follow opportunities and not passion. At some point in your life, you've probably stumbled upon this popular piece of advice: follow your passion. But while we hear this often, it turns out that this narrative is dead. Instead, financial experts have changed gears and are now embracing a more practical approach. An approach that emphasizes the importance of following opportunity instead of following a passion. The thing is, increasing your net worth is only possible if you can spot valuable opportunities on a whim. Opportunities that can potentially increase your income, expand your networking base, or become explosive in the near future. If you can find something you're good at, yet this skill is scarce in the market, go for it. Because compared to passion, the opportunity will open doors to tremendous success. The thing is, you can find yourself being passionate about the wrong things. Maybe you have a burning desire to pursue a field with a shrinking earning potential, or worse, one whose demand is likely to be phased out in the future. As an example, you could be passionate about teaching historical art, yet there's an influx of art college professors. Instead, you can identify the lack of a well-functioning university website and put your coding knowledge into good use. In the end, you'll be better placed because web developers have a higher income than college professors. This is why some experts counter the advice of following your passion. They argue that you should instead develop your passion. First, identify an existing gap that needs to be filled, transform it into a profitable venture, and then work around enjoying what you do. Experts also argue that passion isn't necessarily inherent. It can be learned. Also, better paying careers tend to be more fulfilling. So this means that you don't have to be passionate about something to pursue it. It would be best if you were a clever opportunist. If you want to increase your net worth, you must transform your passion into a job, and a well-paying one for that matter. Number 4. Build spending willpower and avoid lifestyle inflation. You can increase your net worth significantly by streamlining your expenditures. This refers to trimming your expenses to save money, usually through budgeting. Leaving your expenses on the check can translate into lifestyle creep, which is the biggest threat to an individual's net worth. You're probably wondering, what's lifestyle inflation? It refers to a situation where an individual elevates their lifestyle after an increase in income. Usually, lifestyle inflation manifests in the form of moving to an expensive neighborhood, buying a new luxury car, or eating out more than often that you used to. From a distance, lifestyle inflation looks harmless. I mean, why should you maintain your old lifestyle yet you're earning more money? But here's the catch. When you elevate your lifestyle after an income raise, you're not making any strides towards financial freedom. Because even though you're earning more money, your increased expenses are eating into the extra money that you would have otherwise saved if you had maintained your old lifestyle. Inflating your lifestyle only creates an illusion of financial stability, even though it doesn't exist. And the worst part is that lifestyle inflation can go downhill very fast. It could begin as buying one luxury car, then it escalates into needing a lush car interior or expensive car accessories to match your car. Number 5. Focus on acquiring cash-producing assets. The term investing has become common on the lips of many people. Everyone seems obsessed with putting the money into investment ventures, yet only a handful of them are becoming rich. And this begs the question, what could be the unsuccessful investor be doing wrong? Well, it's simple to see there's no shortcut to increasing your net worth if you don't let your money work for you. And this is what draws the line between successful investors and unsuccessful ones. The smart investors focus on ensuring that the money they invest is bringing in more and with minimal effort from their side. Ever heard of the phrase, use money to make money? That is precisely what the smart investor does. If you want to join this camp, then you should look into buying cash-producing assets. These refer to assets whose value appreciates over time and produce a regular cash inflow. A perfect example is real estate. One reason why rich people invest in real estate is that it significantly contributes to passive income. Assuming you buy a property today and convert it into rental units, for example, you'll have money flowing into your bank account forever. Once you set aside capital to buy property, you sit back and watch your money make more money. Interesting, isn't it? If you decide to sell it in, let's say, 5 years, you will sell it for much more than you bought it for. Other examples of cash-producing assets include government bonds, certificates of deposit, dividend-producing stocks, peer-to-peer lending platforms, and high-interest savings account. Here's the best part. You can maintain a diversified investment portfolio that has 2 or more cash-producing assets. This way, you'll have more income, hence an increased ability to clear your debt and give your net worth a leg up. Sadly, while many people are acquiring assets, most of them require depreciating assets, things like cars with fast depreciation rates. These are assets that don't bring in any cash flow, hence don't contribute to increasing your net worth. So, have you realized anything from this video? If yes, don't forget to like this video and comment down below your thoughts. Once again, this is Finance Boss, signing off.